In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use GoHighLevel's content planner to schedule a month worth of high quality posts in less than 5 minutes. The biggest mistake I see content creators making is that they treat each post as a separate project rather than using a system. You can design your content strategy to work as a team. Let me show you how I use GoHighLevel's content planner paired with AI to create content that refers to itself, building a network of posts that drive consistent engagement across all the platforms. Before I continue with this demonstration, I've created a content planning template specifically for service businesses that want to create a month of content in a matter of minutes. Click the link in the description below and you can download it for free. I've included question formulations and content prompts for over 20 different industries. First, let's log into GoHighLevel. We'll log into my agency and I'll show you the content planner that makes this all possible and all super easy. If you're not using this tool, you're already behind. This tool allows you to schedule a month worth of posts in a matter of minutes. You could post across multiple dashboards, which already saves you time, but we're going to supercharge it. The key is to start with a content series rather than just individual posts. So I created a simple content matrix with 4 to 5 core topics that will reference one another, just like what successful YouTube channels do with their videos. So here's my content strategy. I'm going to do core topic posts, how-to posts, results posts, tool highlight posts, and FAQs and objection posts. So scrolling down through my strategy here, how we're going to visualize this and how they all work together. We're going to start with our core topics. That's going to be the awareness stage. Then we're going to break that into how-to posts, tool highlight posts, back to results, back to FAQ, which makes it all flow together. So days 1 to 5, we're going to do the core topic posts. And then days 6 through 10, we're going to do the how-to posts. Then through days 11 through 15, we're going to do the results posts. And then lastly, we're going to do the tool highlight posts on days 16 through 20. Now here's where the real magic happens. I take basic content ideas, and then I use tools like Manus and Ideogram to supercharge them. With Manus, I'll quickly generate engaging captions that use the 6-step formula that I found gets the most engagement. Then with Ideogram, I'll create custom images that stand out in the feed without spending hours on design. Back in GoHighLevel, I'll show you how to schedule this entire month's worth of content in just a few clicks, including setting the optimal posting times based on your audience's activity. Notice how I'm setting up each post to reference another piece of content in the series, creating that referral network that drives consistent engagement. By the way, I'm using GoHighLevel for this entire process. It integrates everything from content planning to lead capture all in one place. I've included an affiliate link down below. If you want to try it out, you can get a free trial. Oh, and another pro tip, I'm using Manus AI to edit this entire video, which also saves tons of time. I'll include that affiliate link as well. So the video that you're watching right now was edited with Gling. So if you want to check Gling out, if you're a content creator, click that link and check it out. So inside of GoHighLevel's content planner, you can see that you can schedule, as many posts as you want. In this case, I've already got some generic posts scheduled out just to show you how this works. So you can click in here, you can go in here, you can edit this. Here I have it set to post on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and my Google business profile. We can edit this, everything. So the way you do this is real simple. You just click new post. Again, you can do this individually, but the faster way, GoHighLevel has actual templates that we can use. And again, we can use this as a baseline and then pair this with AI and really supercharge our results. Or we can create a CSV file with a month worth of content planned out already, and then, implement that and post that across multiple platforms, which again saves you a ton of time. So like I said, the key is to start with a content series rather than just individual posts. So here's how I can set this up, make it super easy. So if we go over into Manus, I'll show you my workflow. So I told Manus that I'm creating a video showing how to, basically just prompting it, telling it exactly what I'm doing. So basically I created a content series, which I can use AI for that as well. You could go to Claude or ChatGPT and tell it that you want a content matrix that refers to each other and have it basically create a plan. And then you can take that, right, plug it into Manus, which is what I did here. I gave it our content strategy, our 5 core topic posts, how to posts, the results, everything. And then Manus basically just got right to work. It asked me what my main pain points for my customers were, so I gave it a list of all the pain points. And this is what's nice about working with AI. If you think about AI as being your teammate instead of a tool and like telling it what to do, you'll get a lot better results, right? And the nice thing about this, just like when we were working with a person, you can give it feedback, but the cool part about AI is you can actually see how it got the result that it got. So if you wanted to make a correction along the way, you can really see where you can dial it in. So these systems are very powerful. So basically I gave it my calendar link, I gave it all the details that it would know, and told it not to make up any information, all that, and it basically just gave me a 25-day content strategy plan. It created the strategy framework, the matrix visualization, core topics, how to post, results, and basically everything. So I took this and just basically told it, create a CSV that we can upload directly into GoHighLevel and then make this whole process easy. So it literally gave me a CSV. So let's take this CSV file, let's download it. We're gonna upload this CSV. Let's put it right in there. Okay, so we're getting an error. So this is cool. You can see me address this in real time. So it says CSV headers are not identical to sample file. I uploaded the CSV that you provided, can't type today, provided into GoHighLevel Planner and gave me the error. See what it says? Wish I could copy that. Oh, I can't. Beautiful. So we're just going to troubleshoot here with Manus in real time. So it already found the error. It's going to go ahead and fix it. I'm going to grab some coffee while it works. Now, the nice thing about Manus too is I can walk away, I can close this, let it do whatever I want. And another awesome feature about Manus that I really love is while it's working, I can actually go in and tell it something in real time. So you know how like some of these other LLMs, you have to wait until it's done with this task or like click the stop button a bunch of times or whatever to get it to stop and then tell it. This you can just talk as it's working in the background, you can give it new information and it adjusts on the fly. So again, super efficient. Okay, so instead, let's take a screenshot of this. So as you can see, I use Snagit. I've taken a screenshot. I'm going to copy this screenshot, okay? And then I'm going to go back to Manus and literally just paste it right in here and show it what's going on. So he says, I apologize that it didn't resolve the issue. Thanks for providing the screenshot. Let's fix this. So he's going to go ahead and fix it. And the nice thing about providing the screenshot is I just gave him all the information right here, how to do it. Might as well delete these. Okay, so it updated it. Let's see if we can get it to work this time. Download it, upload it. Oh man, I still don't think it's working, is it? So still getting the error. Here is a resource for you. We'll give him the link to this. All right, and again, we'll let him go back to work. Okay, so whenever I gave it the resource, it said that it was trying to download the sample. So if you go to GoHighLevel, they have a sample file here. So probably I should have done this to begin with just to be proactive, but Manus tried to download it. It couldn't, so it asked me to download it and then provide it to him. So I'm going to do that now. So as you can see, this is pretty cool. Like I didn't even know this was going to happen. We're literally, we're working through some problems in real time with AI. So, all right, so let's take the new updated CSV. Let's go back to GoHighLevel and upload it in here. Drum roll, please. How? Maybe this just can't be done. Refresh this. CSV headers are not identical to sample file. Still giving same error. Manus is getting irritated. It's stubborn. That header mismatch is stubborn. All right, here we go. Try to get meticulously formatted it. So let's hope so. Haha. Success. Okay, so now it worked. So we'll click next. We're going to post this to all my socials, but we're not going to do YouTube or TikTok because that requires video. For this demo, I'm just going to show you how I would do the media. I like to approve them every day, so you don't have to do this, but this is the human in the mix. I like to actually go in every morning and then just kind of look at the post, optimize it, change anything I want, or you can just have it set automatically. In this case, I'm going to pick myself to submit it for approval. It's going to go through and build out and schedule, plan everything. So let's view everything. Okay, so now what I had Manus do earlier is I had it create a template of prompts for Ideogram to create all the images. So I've already downloaded that. Let's go over to Ideogram. And one by one, I'm just going to plug in the prompts and create the images. So in this case, I like this one. I downloaded it. We'll go back. We'll click here. Now, inside of GoHighLevel, You can actually have AI create the images, or you can upload your own. In this case, I'm going to upload my own. I've already done it, so let's pick this. Okay, great. Now that's ready. Then now we can schedule it for whenever it wants to post. So in this case, we've got, this one's May 1st, May 2nd. It already scheduled them all out, 9 a.m. We can, go through and post this one now. But this is already scheduled. We can put a call to action in here. So in this case, I like to do like an offer. You can do offer codes on Google, call to action. We'll just do call to action, learn more. I'll put in my funnel, okay? You can pick where to post it, invite collaborators. That's it. We can just schedule that one. Okay, same thing here. So we can go to the next one. We'll go to Manus. We'll grab post 2. So right here, post 2, we're just going to copy and paste this prompt into Ideogram. Control A, Control V is how you can do that really quick, and then just click generate. So Control A copies, Control V pastes. That's how to do things a little quicker. So it's going to go through, generate some images. So again, we can just pick which one we like. This cover one, this one's really good. I do like this one, so we'll use this one. We're gonna grab this one too. I might end up using this down the road. Actually, this one I feel like pops more. I don't know, they're both good. I'm gonna go with this one. And here's how we're gonna do this with speed. Okay, so rather than go back and forth one by one, let's just go and create all the images, download them all one at a time, and we're gonna enable, we'll label them post 1, post 2, post 3. So we go back, let's grab post 3. Same thing, copy and paste this prompt, click generate. So I like this post, and here's where you have to do a little bit of custom editing. Aspect ratio, so we're gonna create a new design. Let's upload, now this will look good. Remove the background. All right, let's do the magic grab and grab this thing. We're gonna brush it, grab that right there, grab it. Now we'll be able to adjust that so it fits a little bit better on the page. We'll put high level on here, make that a little bit like this, maybe a little like that, so it looks real good. We'll put $47,000. Put it right there. The money sign. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, now we got our image. Let's download it. This is post 3. We're gonna call it post 3. This will be May 3rd. So 5, 3, 5. We're gonna download it as a PNG or a JPG. Download that, and we're gonna go back to our content planner. Right. So we got post 1. So we're going to do post 2, upload that picture from earlier that we liked, choose this one. Then we've got post 3, okay, that one's in there. Okay, so I showed you how to do the first 3, I changed this, showed you how I quality check some of it, how to upload the images. And like I said, I could sit here, this might take me a few more minutes, but it's going to save hours and hours. So I can have the whole month planned in just a short amount of time. So if you'd like me to set this up for your business, or you want to see how powerful GoHighLevel's tools are, again, you can click the link down below. That's my affiliate link. You can get a free trial through GoHighLevel. Or if you want me to build this out for your business, you can book a free call with me. I'll also leave my link down below to my calendar. So see you on the next one.